Have you ever tried to explain a complex idea over email only to have it misunderstood? Or scheduled another meeting just to provide feedback? Video messaging tools like Loom promise to solve this problem. But if you've ever hit that annoying recording limit or struggled to organize your videos, you know they didn't quite deliver on that promise. What if there was a better way to capture your screen, share your ideas, and actually get things done? In this video, we'll discuss 13 powerful Loom alternatives, and I'll reveal which one stands above the rest for teams who want to stop wasting time switching between apps. Before we dive in, let's talk about why you might be looking for a Loom alternative in the first place. While Loom is great for quick videos, it has some limitations that might be holding your team back. First, the free plan caps your recordings at 5 minutes. Second, your videos live separately from your actual work and tasks. And third, if you're working with larger teams or need more advanced features like editing, you'll need to look elsewhere. Let's explore the alternatives that solve these problems and more. Our top pick is ClickUp Clips, and there's a good reason it's number one on our list. Workers toggle between apps about 1,200 times per day. That's nearly 4 hours every week just switching contexts. Unlike standalone recording tools, ClickUp Clips is built directly into ClickUp's Everything app for work. This means your screen recordings live right alongside your tasks, documents, and projects. No more context switching. Here's what makes ClickUp Clips stand out. First, you can record your screen, tab, or window with webcam and voice using ClickUp Clips. Second, ClickUp Brain, the native AI assistant, automatically transcribes your clips, making them searchable and accessible. But here's where it gets really powerful. You can turn moments in your videos directly into actionable tasks using AI. ClickUp's AI fields can even auto-assign it to the right person and prioritize it for you. ClickUp also gives you a centralized clips hub where all your recordings live, making it easy to find and organize everything you've created. One G2 reviewer even said the clips feature alone would be worth the subscription. But with ClickUp, it's just one part of a complete productivity system. Let's move on to the second Loom alternative. If your primary focus is sales, Vidyard might be your go-to. While Loom is solid for internal communication, Vidyard is built specifically for driving sales through video. It integrates with your CRM and even lets you create AI-driven personalized sales videos at scale. Vidyard's standout features include detailed analytics, showing exactly how viewers engage with your videos, who watched, for how long, and where they dropped off. The pricing can be a bit steep, making it more suitable for sales teams with dedicated budgets. Ever tried to capture a long web page only to end up with multiple awkward screenshots? Snagit solves this with its scrolling capture feature. It excels at both screenshots and screen recordings with powerful annotation tools that let you add professional-looking callouts, arrows, and text. Wistia is a great Loom alternative for marketing teams focused on lead generation and brand control. Having recently merged with Soapbox, Wistia now offers complete video creation alongside its powerful hosting and analytics features. What sets Wistia apart is its customizable, ad-free video player that maintains your brand identity. You also get advanced marketing tools like A/B testing for thumbnails and video SEO. Did you know that 28% of marketers rely on engagement graphs and heat maps to measure video success? Wistia delivers these insights right out of the box. For teams that need more polished videos without having the technical expertise, Tela offers a unique approach to video creation. Its standout feature is segment recording. Instead of one continuous take, you can record in small sections and easily rearrange them later. Tela also includes AI editing that can automatically remove filler words and awkward silences, making everyone on your team sound like a professional presenter. Moving on to tool 6, UserSnap. While it's not a full-fledged screen recording tool, UserSnap deserved a spot on this list for teams focused on collecting visual feedback. It lets you and your users annotate screenshots and recordings, making it perfect for product teams working to improve user experiences. UserSnap centralizes all your feedback in one place and helps you identify trends, ensuring you're focusing on the improvements that matter the most. Customer support teams will love JumpShare for its combination of file sharing and video messaging capabilities. Instead of writing lengthy instructions, support agents can quickly record a solution with voiceover. This helps significantly reduce ticket resolution times. JumpShare also lets you convert screen recordings into GIFs, perfect for quick demonstrations that don't require a full video. Now, before we talk about the next tool, here's a pro tip. When you're using any screen sharing software, always enable Do Not Disturb mode to avoid embarrassing notifications bombing your recordings. Moving on to tool number 8 on our list, formerly known as Cloud App, Zeit combines screen recording with AI-powered features like automatic transcription in over 50 languages. What makes Zeit special is its ability to add interactive elements within your videos, like clickable buttons, polls, and calls to action. As someone who regularly creates content for YouTube, trust me, you have no idea how much time that saves post-production. Number 9 is a tool many of you would already be familiar with. For teams that need professional-grade video editing capabilities, Camtasia has been the gold standard among Loom alternatives. Unlike simpler screen recorders, Camtasia gives you a complete video editing studio with transitions, animations, and effects. You can also experiment with features like AI Script for writing polished professional content. While there's a steeper learning curve, the results speak for themselves with truly polished professional videos. Now, if you've labored over step-by-step guides for your team or customers for hours, Scribe can be a true time saver. It records your screen activity and instantly generates visual guides complete with screenshots and text descriptions. The best part, when processes change, you can update your original guide once and every linked or embedded version updates automatically. It doesn't get any better than that, does it? Does your sales team seem unimpressed with Vidyard? No problem. Here's another option. SendSpark for sales and marketing teams focused on personalization. SendSpark lets you customize videos with text overlays, calls to action, and even embed calendars so viewers can book meetings directly after watching. SendSpark also provides detailed analytics on viewer engagement, helping you understand which videos are driving results. A true win-win if there ever was one. Coming in at number 12 is another solid pick for marketers, especially in social media. Yep, that'd be Veed with a V, just to be clear. With over 300 customizable video templates and browser-based editing, Veed makes professional video creation accessible to everyone. No expensive equipment required. One unique feature is Veed's AI avatars, which can present content on your behalf. They make scaling production easier than ever. And finally, let's talk about the OG editor, OBS Studio. For teams on a tight budget, OBS Studio offers professional level recording capabilities completely free and open source. You get unlimited recording with no restrictions. While it has a steeper learning curve, OBS lets you apply filters and effects to both video and audio, ensuring your recordings look and sound professional. That's it, my friends. My list of best Loom alternatives you can try this year. Which one's best for you? Well, that's something only you can decide. For sales teams focused on analytics and CRM integration, Vidyard is worth exploring. And if you need professional-grade editing, Camtasia remains the industry standard. Then why did I rank ClickUp Clips as my top choice? It comes down to one simple fact. It's the only solution that truly integrates video recordings with actual work. Think about it. What happens after you record a video explanation? Usually you need to create tasks, assign work, and track progress. With most tools, that means switching to another platform. With ClickUp, your videos, tasks, documents, and team communication all live in one place. So you can record a clip for your designer, sharing feedback with them, instantly create a revision task from it, and track progress, all without ever switching tools. ClickUp's AI assistant also automatically transcribes your videos, making them searchable and accessible to everyone on your team. Ready to get started? Sign up for ClickUp 100% free at the link in the description. Yep, no credit card required, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more.